subscribe, and share.
Hi, how are you folks doing today? Welcome back to the kitchen. What I'm doing today is making my version of egg roll in a bowl. I've made the version that's really popular going around online. We loved it. But I'm making what I normally do whenever I do my egg rolls. So I have cut up about 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds of chicken breast, just in small, probably 1/2 inch to inch cube. I have 2 small onions I'm going to thinly slice. We all like onions. They have so many health benefits to them. I also have 3 scallions that I'm dicing up to put in my bowl. We're going to put about a tablespoon, having to drain the juice out of here, of minced garlic. We're going to do about a teaspoon of minced ginger. Half cup soy sauce. And we're going to put a tablespoon of sesame oil. Okay. I'm going to stir all this up, and I'm going to let it marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour in the refrigerator. Then we're going to brown it. Alright, I just took this out of the refrigerator. It's been marinating for the right amount of time. I've melted probably 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in my electric skillet. So I'm just going to stir this for a few minutes until it gets brown. Alright, we've got this chicken cooked. As you can tell, it's cooked through. The onions are soft. So now comes the next step. I have got 2 1-pound packages of coleslaw mix. Just going to dump those in there. Now you see why I use this big old electric skillet, don't you? Alright. I've been stirring this for about 5 minutes. I did put a little bit more soy sauce in there. Don't worry about remembering the recipe. It'll be in the comments. But everything is cooked down. So, what do you think? I think it's time to turn this skillet off, grab plates for the family, and call everyone for supper. Can't wait to get into it. You guys have a good one. We'll see you on the next video.
Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.